from a magazine. Been looking for the answer.
Just record your life. You are your own character, you are your own story. Your life is a documentary you can film and put it online for people to watch. Mumbai is one fine example that we have. There is nothing more interesting. I mean, you may think it's boring, you may not like it because यार मेरे life में क्या हो रहा है? आपके life में ऐसी बहुत चीज़ें हो रही हैं जो बहुत सारे audience, बहुत सारे viewers को देखनी है. वो आपको अभी पता नहीं चलेगा, लेकिन आप एक साल अगर consistently daily बनाओगे अपनी vlog, you will have like 1 million subscribers who are excited about. अच्छा आज क्या करेगी श्रुति? कुछ नहीं करे, श्रुति जा रही है ग्रोसरी, चावल खरीद के घर आ रही है, लेकिन श्रुति ने चावल खरीदा ये. Like I'll have it with my dinner. Like it's a big boss. Like big boss is old. This is you. You are your own big boss. This is actual real life. This is not like a scripted real life. You are all your own story. If you are not creatively inclined about whatever, like he is stand-up comedian, he's a photographer, I'm a men's lifestyle guy. You don't have to be. You document your own life, your own story. You don't need to write script. Pick out your phone, talk, share stuff, learn a thing or two about filmmaking. You will learn it. Once you do it, you learn it. But you all are your own story. I would even say teachers and faculty to do it. It's fun. It's therapeutic. आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपने बस ऐसे ही डॉक्यूमेंट किया कि अच्छा मैंने आज इस क्लास के बच्चों को ये पढ़ाया, लेकिन that series of 15 videos of ये पढ़ाया can help so many people, and then you will see that like Sandeep Maheshwari, he has like 7 million, 6 million followers and subscribers because he's good and he's a teacher. He does it. He teaches people and he inspires, and he's just showing behind the scenes of his life. I think all of us should vlog. Yeah. If you are not vlogging today, then when else? This is a platform where all of us can literally have the opportunity to be our own superstars. Why not? Who's stopping you? Why not? Like all of you can. Like I don't know why are any one of you stopping. Be it faculty, be it students, whosoever it is. You don't have any creativity. Start vlogging your own story.